Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. A major regulatory shift is underway in the United States, and it took many by surprise last week. The FDA officially retired its long-standing quality system inspection technique, known as QSIT. It has been replaced by a new inspection process under the Quality Management System Regulation, or QMSR. This is not just a change in name. It represents a fundamental change in how the FDA conducts facility inspections. For decades, manufacturers have tailored their quality systems and audit preparations to the specific methodology of QSIT. Now, the rulebook has been rewritten. The new approach aligns the FDA's process more closely with the international standard ISO 13485-2016. While this harmonization is positive in the long run, the immediate transition is creating significant challenges. The core issue is the shift in focus. The old QSIT was a top-down, subsystem-focused audit. The new QMSR approach is more holistic and risk-based, focusing on patient safety and product quality throughout the entire lifecycle. Let's consider a real-world example. A mid-sized company in California manufactures orthopedic implants. For their last audit, they prepared by focusing on the four main QSIT subsystems: management, design controls, CAPA, and production and process controls. They passed with no major observations. Under the new QMSR inspection, an FDA inspector might instead select a specific high-risk product and trace its entire lifecycle. The investigator could scrutinize everything from initial design inputs and supplier quality agreements to post-market surveillance data and complaint handling for that single device. This process-oriented audit can uncover systemic weaknesses that the subsystem-based QSIT model might have missed. This change means that audit readiness is now a continuous state, not a periodic preparation. Companies can no longer just prepare for a predictable checklist. They must demonstrate a comprehensive, living quality culture that is deeply integrated into every aspect of their operations. Navigating this new landscape requires a proactive and strategic approach to quality assurance and regulatory affairs. This is where having a partner with global and local expertise becomes invaluable. At Pure Global, we help companies align their quality management systems with the new QMSR framework and international standards to ensure they are prepared for this new era of regulatory scrutiny. For more information on how to adapt to the FDA's new inspection model, please email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at https://pureglobal.com.